Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are talking about the forge machine in Pets Go that just came up with the new update. As you can see, there is a lot of new stuff added in the game, especially about mining. So we have new magma ore, new enchantment saves, which are giving us enchantments for mining pickaxe, and we also have new Hellrock huge pet. So let's start right away with upgrades. Go into your upgrade menu and you can start by going into mining and you can start unlocking all the new skills. In the bottom parts on left and right you can use your usual coins to unlock all of these new upgrades, which will increase your max ore. And bottom right over here the first one is actually forge machine. If you unlock that, you will be able to see the forge on the map. I will go ahead and unlock all of these new upgrades until I have money. And if you did unlock forge, you can see it right over here on the map. Okay, now we don't have nothing in our inventory, so we must start opening this mining chest. So you will get enchantment chests by opening mining chests. Even in a basic mining chest you can get some, so let's try to get some so we can see how it works. Here we got our first save, and if we open it, okay, we got one pickaxe speed boost. That's not too bad. These basic ones will give you 20% speed boost. And now if we want to equip it to our best pickaxe, we have at the moment the golden one. And you can see you just need to click on enchant once. Then it will ask you which pickaxe you want to upgrade. And we can choose only this one. So let's go ahead and put the speed boost on that one. All of these free to play pickaxes, we can only upgrade the golden one. Now if we hover over our pickaxe, we can see there is one boost activated. And if you want to remove the boost, you just click on your pickaxe that you want to remove boosts from, and they will ask you, are you sure if you want to remove these enchants from the pickaxe? You can click on yes, and it will be again added into your inventory. This is free, so you can change them as you wish. Let's put it back to our pickaxe, and that's how you upgrade your pickaxe. And now you can see this is the best pickaxe in the game, and on this one you can put even 3 different enchantments. This is huge actually. So this is the only pickaxe that uses 3. The next one is the runic pickaxe, and this one uses 2 enchantments. You can also put 2 enchantments on obsidian pickaxe, and then you can put only 1 on emerald pickaxe and golden one. So that's the difference between the pickaxes and how many enchantments you can use on them. I will try to buy some better pickaxe. Here we found one, 3.5 million, bro. Oh, why did it disappear? No, we just wanted to buy it. Okay, no. Oh, it's back, and now it's even cheaper. Come on, come on, we must buy it. Yes, it's ours. Let's go. This is the best buy that we had. Okay, we have our best pickaxe now. We also got some of the rare enchantments. Those are not the best, but we can use them for now. Let's choose which 2 are we gonna use. We're gonna put this damage one, and we're gonna take out the speed boost from this green pickaxe and put it on the obsidian one. And now we have speed and damage boost on this new pickaxe. And since we got a lot of those basic enchantments, we can go now into the forge and try to upgrade them. We will need 12 minimum of the same one to make a better tier from those. But also we will need some ore, so you can see you will need to grind for ore to be able to use the forge also. So let's do that. Let's grab some emerald. We'll need around 400 to make only 1 upgrade, so you will need a lot of mining for this. And when we are ready, let's go back to our forge. Now we can upgrade this one. So we'll use 12 of basic ones to make only one rare enchantment. And that's how you upgrade your enchantments in the forge. You should also know that you can grab these enchantment chests also from mining the magma ore. So make sure you unlocked these upgrades magma mining and start grinding for those right away. You can also get them, as I said earlier, from the mining chests, but also with every magma rock mined you will get some good rewards. Usually you get scrolls, but as you can see on my screen, we got magma egg, magma ore, some mining scrolls, and also we got basic enchantment save. So there is a chance to get a lot of saves like this for free only by mining this magma ore, so make sure you do that right away and start grinding for those enchantments. So here on the screen you can see all the upgrades you can unlock with this update, and we also got metal detector from the market. So we will try opening all of these eggs that we got by mining, and let's see what we will get. That would be all from me for this video, guys. If you have any more questions about mining forge machine or mining pets in Pets Go, let me know down in the comments. I will be there to answer you. If you don't know how to use mining pets in Pets Go, you can check our video on that. So you should know there is a trick with the mining pets and you should definitely use them while you're mining. So if you're interested in that, check out that video on our channel. We will leave the link in the description also for you guys, so you can check it out if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you like this kind of videos, if these videos are helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one.